Hey everyone, we're going to continue our work on a monster battle system, kind of like Pokemon or Temtem. I spent some time on the logic. I can show it to you here. We go up to this guy, goes into the battle map, and the AI does a little move, and then we can do a move. The AI heals itself. What else? We can heal ourselves. So it goes back and forth like that until I believe it'll say you won. There you go. All right. So in order to get to that point though, we need to do a bunch of stuff. Let's start with the UI. Here's our UI. It's made up of two separate UIs here and a little health bar up here. So this is a canvas panel, and in the canvas panel, go ahead and stick a background blur and anchor it up to the upper corner. Inside that you can put a little border to give it some color, and then an overlay stretched, and inside that do a little bar, percent bar, and some text. And that's going to be your enemy health bar. Now this down here is another UI element. This is kind of like in Pokemon, this is your little battle icon element. So this is a size box. I've set with a width override of 480. A background blur. This is the friendly border. It's not really a variable, I just named it that for some color. And a vertical box is going to be the first construction because this is all stacked vertically. A border for the top bar. And inside that, a horizontal box of name and level. Just two texts. The next element in the vertical box is an overlay with a size box and another health bar. And the third element inside of this is a uniform grid panel. So go ahead and drop that in, make 4 buttons and lay it out. And with each of those buttons, give them some text. Ability 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me move my head real fast. Whee! There, now you can see the layout. You can pause this and make your little thing exactly like I did if you want to follow exactly. Last, this third piece here is just a little text thing, kind of like in Pokemon, that tells you stuff. So that's just easily a background blur, a border and a border within a border, an overlay, and some text, which is a variable. So that's the UI. It's pretty basic. I figured I'd just throw together a quick video so that you have that ready to go, and then I'll make another video that shows the logic behind the UI. This is going to be kind of complicated. There's a whole lot of stuff going on here, so I'm going to try and break it down into small chunk videos so that it's not just a huge amount of information thrown at you. Bear with me. Hopefully all of this goes smoothly. See ya.